give me the hammer, bethi kwasela, yakundazela, give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwasela, yakundazela, give me the hammer. Mshana ngizokutholela intombi. Again, way, machita ngizonibona emoren. Second. Awuna moto kodwa uqoka diesel. Hlezi online ku WhatsApp, WhatsApp. Chale kusene mina ngifuna idatha. Sekusho iqhuma ingane sehlatanza. Mampintsha washithi ushimora. Somnyama waphenduka iskora. This time angiphukuthi nonoshabisho, ngiphukuta nofisha abakhulu. Somnyama hinje namarang. Intomzalova sezingifuna kang. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer.
This is Dallas Cone. Malinga. Ulakasanga yakon. With Malinga. But it's some young taller. I'm bringing it. And I'm gonna pick your phone. Give me your digit, miss. Can't give me a hammer, I'm Steve Mopena. Niggas tryna bring me down, still never got sell. I'm in the eco valley, I show me jail. Pull a knife, pull a box, now I bell. Baba look at my wrist and I say to cheese. Baby, fuck my digits, now I did this. Losing on piggies, yeah, SCP. When I see a land of folk, why moving easy, keep it busy.
Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer, bethi kwazela, yakundazela. Give me the hammer.
Alright, sibonga kakhulu laphana, manje ingoma esingase laphana. Asolo DJ Qness nomalehloka athi uzongelinda. After that mntana sekhaya sangana ku Lil Wayne athi Mona Lisa featuring Kendrick Lamar. Then after that guys siphuma yona manje ngamanje mntana sekhaya it's one of our very own Somnyama featuring Rex bathi give me a hammer. Right here on his station point FM, but we are live and beyond mntana sekhaya. Uhlelo WFC Food for Thought mntana sekhaya. Uhlelo Nhlanhla for Dlamini Zakithi. Yeah, imfana mntana sekhaya. Sakhuluma indaba ngayo yama relationships mntana sekhaya. Sasifela phana siphese isihloko sesama relationships. Ngithemba ukuthi mntana sekhaya nawe lapho uenjoyile lapha itopic yethu uzongena lapha ukuthi i-production kwi-page lethu le Facebook. Ukhulume nawe sizuvo lakho ngama relationship. Usitshele nawe ngama relationship okuwabone izindlela okubona kwenzeka ngazo kuma relationship lawo mntana sekhaya izonto engishoyo. Yebo mntana sekhaya ngicabanga ukuthi mntana sekhaya sifela phana ngasemaphethelweni ayo lapha. Mntana sekhaya indaba engenziwe ngiyibheke emaqhubeka ishow ile ndaba ya Mr. Robert Kelly. Yabo enye indaba ezikeza undaba mlongini njoba kade esolwa ngokuthi uke waba namacala abandekela ngona okunokubeza ngocansi abasifazana abaningi kakhulu ekade kuthiwa baphumele obala. Ngangambona lapha kwesinye seyiteshi sizamabona kude indoda ekhuluma ize ikhali inyembezi. Yabo isho uthi I didn't do this stuff, that is not me, I didn't do this stuff. Yabo so sithi kuyibheka nje indaba yakho Robert Kelly si-update mntana sekhaya ukuthi egcine ngosuku ugcine kwenzakaleni ngazo lezi insolo zakhe uMr. Kelly lapha na Robert Kelly sizospela lezo ndaba mntana sekhaya. Nokuyinto ke futhi naye egcina seyilinka nale ama relationships even though sesiyivala because kunalento eyenzakalayo uma kulomkhakha lo industry lo wosaziwayo engeke ngayibona yenzeka. Angikusho lokho ngiyazi ukuthi abantu besifazana abaningi bakwingcindezi yokuthi uma befisa ukungena mhlambe kwezomculo kweze acting into enjengalezo kuye kube khona lezo zimo lezi ezinzima ingqinamba zokuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwa what do you have to offer, yabo. Ngenxa yokuthi ke umuntu wesifazane naye usuke efisa ukuthi aphumelele, agcine selingeka seyengeka, esevumela ukuthi lowo osuke sephezulu enze or afezekise izinhloso zakhe ngaye, yabo. Leyo nto ke leyo mntana sekhaya uma wena uyenza ungangayinaka iyona i-sexual abuse, cause angithandi nginomuntu kodwa ngoba naku ngifuna ukuphumelela and wena usemnyango ngiyanokha kumele kuvule wena usuni manje sonokuthi manje kube khona amadili ashawayo egcina umuntu uzokwenza akathandi kuyena kusaringa lo ukuthi wena wamnukubeza kodwa uzothi awukho lapho into engayibona ukuthi iyenzeka leyo wena nizoyenza into eniyenzayo akekho kuyona uyavuma ngoba naku ufuna ukuthi kuphumelele lento azama ukuyenza abanye bagcina sekwenzeka kanjalo ngoba kahle kahle ngempela mase siyabheka abesifazane bona basanayo i-challenge enkulu yabo in terms of ama careers wabo ngoba ngikhumbula kahle ngomunye unyaka kwake kwavela enye inkampani engeke ngayidalula ukuthi mawuqashwa khona induna yakhona inokuthi kumele ubuye uvakashele ngasendlini ulethe CV sina sathi CV lethe sangweni ishiwe kuma security kuba khona indawo la agent othile yabo basikwazi lokho ukuthi uma ufuna umsebenzi hayi ufike ke lapha endlini ne-CV yakho ngike ngiyibone yabo ezinye zezinto lezi ezenzakalayo ke lezo mntana sekhaya kanti isikhathi lapha mntana sekhaya siqophuda lapha nje imizuzu lapha nje emihlanu lapha lishayile lapha ihora lesingaki lesine mntana sekhaya kanosuku nje izuzu 23 enyangeni lapha yesithathu ku-2019 mntana sekhaya uhlelo WFT Food for Thought Nhlanhla mfoko Dlamini Zakithi ngiyabonga mina ulababa
Changes in my life, I won't leave you behind. Changes in my life, you will see in time. Changes in my life, you're always on my mind. Changes in my life, oh I got you by my side. Changes in my life, I don't know if it's wrong or if it's right, and I want you by my side. Oh, everything is gonna be alright. I won't leave you behind. Changes in my life, you will see in time. Changes in my life, you're always on my mind. Changes in my life, I got you by my, I got you by my, I got you by my side. Changes in my life, I won't leave you behind. Changes in my life, you will see in time. Changes in my life, you're always on my mind. Changes in my life, oh I got you by my side. Thy lips inspired God to make a man, and from his rib an angel born as Eve formed into flesh and promised him her hand. Why do I cry at night? Still can't sleep without the night. Stressed out because we fight. Will we ever get this right? 'Cause thy hair inspired God to make the breeze. Thy lips inspired God to make a man, and from his rib an angel born as Eve formed into flesh and promised him her hand. So lay me down in Eden under stars, and show me why it's us that he would choose. If had me, I would die here in your arms. Don't cry because the ocean makes me blue. So blue, so blue, blue, so blue, so
I'm sick of kissing up, I used to miss us taking pics and kissing. Now you miss the club, I'll pull my zipper up. Start to think, wait, is this it for us? Nah, cause I fell for you, see I'm the living Icarus. Relationships, I'm looking around and girl, what happened to me? They hate on me now, but soon I'll be winning them black after black, you will see. They mad at my accuracy, but my swaggy flow can't even rap to the beat. Better pass it to the chief, world is tragic in the seas. Cops selling crack in the street, but you look like the Lord. I know I broke your heart, but I loved you from the start. Baby, tell me all your secrets, baby. You know this is hard when I'm crying in your arms, staring at the stars. I knew that there would come a day when you would wanna, you would wanna run away.
Alright, sibonga kakhulu phela seka teacher you phone ikhathi changes, and after that kwaba umthiza athi refugee, then amva lokho sadlala la sathole ngoba mnandi ngale lesimangaliso lesiphumelelo njengamanje lapha lo Jaden Smith ingane ka Will Smith ke le mntana sekhaya ngithi le ntombazane ingane Will Smith lapha na yes iziphiwe lezangane zifunze unina noyise lapha ekhaya kahle nje imathi ngiyabheka kahle kushuthi siya actor siyacula senza yonke into because Will Smith musuzobheka umlando wakhe ube u DJ. So DJ sengikhohle ube nandile ngilibalele igama DJ, and after that wangena ekutheni abum rapper ekusukela umum rapper washama movie naye inkosikazi ngalo Jaden Smith naye uya actor futhi umlingisi nje ovalele ngalendlela esimangaliso. Ingane ngala nazo sezinto efanayo futhi ziyacula ziya actor njengoba ubona ukuthi sithola lapha inoneli limnandi ngendlela esimangaliso from Jaden Smith indodakazi yakhe lapha na Will Smith no Jara Pinkett Smith. Right, into lesengisho mntana sekhaya ukuthi into suspected lelo daba lethu lelo hlalo itopic yama relationships sasingena lo la Mr. Robert Kelly. Ngikhona nje ngizokengidlale nje enye yama video akhe lapha na sike ngisho update nje kancane ukuthi catch up nawe mntana sekhaya lapha na interview with Gail lapha na uR Kelly yabona awuyilalele mntana sekhaya nayo ke.
I'm very tired of all of the lies. I've been hearing things and and seeing things on the blogs, and I'm just tired.
What are the lies that you're hearing that disturb you most?
Oh my God, all of them. Got little girls trapped in the basement, helicopters over my house, trying to rescue someone that doesn't need rescuing because they're not in my house, handcuffing people, starving people. I have a harem, a cult. I don't even really know what a code is, but I know I don't have one, you know.
Have you done anything that you regret? Have you done anything wrong?
Lots of things wrong when it comes to women that I apologize, but I apologize in those relationships. At the time I was in the relationships.
Have you broken any laws when it comes to women?
Absolutely not.
The 6-part series interviewed 50 people, family members, your former tour manager, numerous women who all claim that you abused them. Are you saying everybody in that documentary was not telling the truth about you? Everybody?
If you really look at that documentary, which I'm sure you have,
I have.
Everybody said something bad about me. Nobody said nothing good. They was describing Lucifer. I'm not Lucifer. I'm a man. I make mistakes, but I'm not a devil, and by no means am I a monster.
I'm going to name the names. Andrea Kelly, your ex-wife, Kitty Jones, Lisa Van Allen, Lisette Martinez, Geronda Pace, Faith Rogers, Asante McGee. You're saying everything they said in that documentary about you is not true.
They are lying on me.
Why would these women say the same thing about you, that you are controlling, that you are abusive, that you tell women when to eat, when to go to the bathroom, when they can sleep, where they can dress? Why would all these women tell these different stories about you if they were not true? And they don't know each other. That defies logic to me.
Right. Until you hear the explanation. You can start a rumor on a guy like me or a celebrity just like that. All you have to do is push a button on your phone and say, so-and-so did this to me. R. Kelly did this to me. And if you get any traction from that, if you're able to write a book from that, if you're able to get a reality show, then any girl that I had a relationship.
Alright, yo, siyayizwa lapha indoda Mr. Robert Kelly. Cha, ama-allegations waphika wonke akubalulayo ke mntana umphathi ngane zokwethu ukuthi lapha uyaxolisa kulaba kade kuma-relationships nabo. Uyabona kodwa makuthiwa kuziwa kulokuthi akabe specific mase kuthiwa kuba specific ukuthi hey ukeke wawuphula umthetho kubo during your relationship leyo ke uyakuphika konke lokho yabona nje kade ngichazile nje eqaleni uyayiphika yonke leyo nto leyo ngoba uyakuveza nokusho lapho ukuthi I have never had sex with a 17-year-old girl yabo. Lapha nasizwile into lasekhaya lapha intatheli iyambuza lapha uGail ukuthi kusho ukuthi bonke labantu besifazana abaphumela obalo ukuthi wena ukuthi nokuthi ukwenzile kusho baqamba amanga nje bonke baplanile bathunyiwe kwenzakalana uyayiphika yonke lento umuntu ka Robert Kelly umntana sekhaya Zakithi uDuma ngamanona kamnandi ngandlela esimangaliso ngaphela kumele sibheke ukubi kuphela kumuntu kodwa futhi kumele siphinde sikwazi sibheke nokunye okuhla kwenzile usijabulisile siphilile ngaye saweza ama message kumculo wakhe that he had to deliver but then at the end of the day we don't support women abuse at the end of the day yiloko nje kubale umntana sekhaya angisho ukuthi ngithini angazi lutho kuphela nje ngizwayo nje mina kuyikona ukuthi bathi uma kwenzeka njoba kuvele ukuthi lapha namacala okunubeza ngokucansi yabhekene nawo Mr. lapha no Robert Kelly adonsela lapha neshumini and okubhlungu ukuthiwa uma eke watholakala guilty ngoba phela kahlahle lisaqhubeka alikapheli ukuphenyo liyaqhubeka icase isaqhubeka kuthiwa ke uma kwenzeka ke mntana sekhaya etholala ukuthi uguilty emlahla lamacala for each case u10 years ejele behind bars, no bail, no nothing. Ephakathi 10 years for each case. Emlahlile emoto utholakale guilt. No kholele kutheni ke Nkosi yami. Uma kwenzeka ke ukuthi wonke lamacala nje obeyishumi nje ayamlahla. Hayi. Okusho ukuthi uzaba umkhulu uRobert Kelly ephakathi ngoba phela kusho ukuthi lapho eminyaka ewu100 lo muntu ngaphinda aphuma udileka jele nje ophinda phindiwe lo. Yabo cha sebenze izinto lasekhaya sesithi kuyi-highlight kancane le ndaba yakhe uMr. Robert Kelly because nami ngeke ngabona njengoba ngishilo seqaleni ukuthi ngeke ngabona kwenye documentary esho lapha ukuthi ayangizazi lezi zinto angingaze ngizenze lezi zinto kanti kwavela nokuthi ubeke abonakala njalo ngasesikoleni yabona uthothi imoto yakhe ibonakala njalo sizophuma isikole ibonakala idlulela ngasizopaka noma idlulela ngasesikoleni sezingane hawu Mr Robert Kelly nje lona madoda i-celebrity donke lifunani lana lingazange liku-announce ukuthi uzobe sivakashele asazi-ke lapho mntanaseka ukuthi kwakusowenzakalani mhlawumpe-ke yabo angazi ke phela ke mhlawumpe kuyenzeka ukuthi noma ngabe phela yilona i-celebrity noma usaziwayo-ke you just shows up in a place unannounced yabona angike ngize ngisho ukuthini lapho uyabona into engisho ngona nathi nathi phela so Zakithi siyafika kwezinye zendawo unannounced senzela usigwema ukuthi lokho kuthiwa Zakithi yabo sekukuze umunye ezwe sengidlulile kuthiwa nangu yena ke lo Zakithi yabo into engisho mntasekhaya sengiziveka kuleyo ndawo yo-Robert right mntasekhaya ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi mntasekhaya wena ngolwazi lakho i-research osuke wayizwa ngokulalela mhlambe lapha nemithombo ethembekile ngenephuma entathelini ezihlukene uRobert Kelly lapha mntasekhaya mhlambe ungaphuma uPaul esizuphawula kakho lapha nam page lethu lapha na le Facebook uzongena ukuthi i-production sizwe mntanasekhaya ukuthi wena uthini osukutholile osukuzwile kukanjani or lento nje iyonke uyibona kanjani ngokwakho ukubona ubona ukuthi ngempela bonke labantu abaze bafika eshumini kungabe ngempela kupossible ukuthi ngempela uRobert Kelly odume kakhulu yazi ngela Kelly ukuthi ngempela ubani ukubezile ngokucansi angazi because uzokhumbula kuye kwaveka la nombiko othi kahle ubekungeve ukuthi gcina ukuthi ubani ukubeza ngokucansi kuphela kahle ube bansiziqila yabo ube ekutshela ukuthi when to eat ugeza nini uyayibona nje kusho ukuthi prima leyo mpilo ubugqila lokho umuzo ngitshethi ngidla nini ngilambe manje ngizongitshethi ngidla nini yabo ngingcole manje ngizizwa ngathi ngingageza ngizongitshethi ngigeza nini and okay lawo allegations ke against him cha uyawaphika bandla he denies them all uthi nje cha no into njengalezo angizazi mina ngixolisa ngama relationships sami eke ngaba kuona mhlawumbe uthi lapha ngike ngangaba umuntu omuhle or indoda eqotho ngokufanele kuona ama relationships kodwa lokho abakushoyo cha ayangikwazi kulungile mntasekhaya ake sithi ukugwinya amathi kancane mntasekhaya zake sithi masibuya ke sibheke nje ezinye izinto ezitrendayo nezitrendile yabo
timing, pressure produce these diamonds. Young man, you can have the coupe that I'm in. All you gotta do is la la, la la, la la, la la. I'm in. I really know how it feels, yo. Just stop, stomach in, just stop. If I was a president like Tabo, I would pull the kids from Eldos, and I put them on the couch with Tato. That's what bro, something like Vagos. 10 years been the king of the castle. Break them up a little cheese like nachos. Big dreams, colossal. Meat grains, panado.
Data for my dudes and addicts. Never gonna lose my balance. No beef, salad. OG, status. Low key, savage. High key, damage. Zanzi, magic. Drumbeats, classic.
Madness. Every time they come back over, that shit take a little piece of my soul. That's the reason why I can't be on my own. Go.
Cameras, flashing. I just wanna be in my zone. Niggas wanna talk about clothes, fashion, hoes.
Lots of niggas out of line. Why? I really know how it feels. Be stressed out, stomach in, just out, head down, grinding, paying my dues in silence. All of my dudes is violent, sirens, get down, come get some, been some. All of these youth is wildin', so all of this juice inspiring. Never gonna lose my timing. Pressure produce these diamonds. Young man, you can have the coupe that I'm in. All you gotta do is la la, la la, la la, la la. I'm in. I really walk around say yo, welcome. Super mega long time, no album. How you handle that beef? Well done. When you see me in the street, bow down to my cheek, got the world at my feet. What one? I just wanna vibe with the young ones. I don't wanna die in the quantum. I'm a real one like somebody. Yeah, fucked up, blind. I hope your mama keep up with the times. I hope your father re-up on the side. I know these ballers got evil desires. They gon' pull up like a thief in the night. They gon' go home to their kids and their wife. See that? Self-made, Mandela piece on the gold chain. I started this from a young age. I'm winning shit in my own lane. 20 gets it on the Sunday, 40 gets it on the Monday. I tell it that it's a zombie. I tell them one day it's one day. Lots of niggas out of line. Why? I really know how it feels. Be stressed out, stomach in, chest out, head down, grinding, paying my dues in silence. All of my dudes is violent. Sirens, get down, come get some, then some. All of these youth is wildin', so all of this juice inspiring. Never gonna lose my timing. Pressure produce these diamonds. Young man, you can have the coupe that I'm in. All you gotta do is la la. Amen. I really know how it feels, yo. Stressed out, stomach in, chest out.
We was the years of the new school, charged up, no batteries. That was way before YouTube, but the front page of the magazine, I was trying to feed my.
Right, sisibonge kakhulu lapha aka featuring LTD bathi amen. I hope umntana sekhaya ujabulela uhlelo. Indawo ngendawo la nikhona amadoda aningizimu Afrika siyanithanda nibaleke ngalendlela edlula ukwenza izandla zidlula ikhanda njengokuthi wena ukhetha ukuthi ngalomzuzu umntana sekhaya ungene lapha ngomkhafazo wakho ude ku Facebook page yethu ukuthi e-production siphinde sibonga kakhulu umntana sekhaya naleyo link phela sikunika yona umntana sekhaya uyangena ikona lapha umntana sekhaya uyoshaya like uyoshaya subscribe lapha ko YouTube umntana sekhaya uzomthola la kidi umntana sekhaya lapha ethela uhlelo lapha WFT food for dot umntana sekhaya besidinga indaba lapha nayo uhlelo lapha indaba lapha eEurope ya Mr Robert K lapha umntana sekhaya ngamacala abekiwe abhekene nawo umntana sekhaya even day waphika ke asazi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani ke I hope umntana sekhaya ni right indawo ngendawo la nikhona hayi bonkosi yami Nazareth ePhinsano ngiyanibona tshela emnyama ngiyanibona ko Santi ngiyanibona ko Clement ngiyanibona umntana sekhaya zonke indawo la nikhona umntana sekhaya samele connection point FM ngiyanibona eningizimu Afrika yonkana ngiyanibona njengoba sazi ukuthi si live and beyond eMzansi umntana sekhaya ngiyanibona ngabe kweZimbabwe keMozambique keNigeria ulapha umntana sekhaya siyakubona uke Miami uke New York uke LA umntana sekhaya hello there how you doing it's your boy like the style of my to shine possibly once and forever baby your show is WFT food for dots sikunika into kumele ucabange ngayo umntana sekhaya sikunikeza ukuthi umqondo wakho ujule yangithola into ohlelo lujulile kahle nalo libona ngiyayibona into ngisho umntana sekhaya yebo umntana sekhaya sibonga kakhulu umntana sekhaya kuba nawe uyitokoza ukuba nawe indlela esimangaliso ake ngikubuyele kuyona indaba lapha na Mr Robert Kelly khona into engisafisa uzizwe umntana sekhaya ukuze nathi small phamula lapha ku Facebook page yethu lapha ukuthi i-production page sizwe kahle umntana sekhaya ukuthi uthini emva kuba uzwa indlela uma bem-interviewer aphendula ngayo wena ngokwakho can you judge ungujudge ngokuzwa indlela akhuluma ngayo uthini thank you